Good morning. It's Cyber Monday, and stocks and things are on sale today. I'm kind of joking, but they're going down, so I'm playing it going down. I'll show you what I've got here. Let's open up my account. All right, so today I'm actually trading the top three pieces: the E-mini Dow, the gold, whatever that is, and then the United Rentals. Two of those are futures contracts. That third one there is a stock, which I haven't traded stocks in months, as if you've been following me on these couple YouTube, okay? So just because the futures, I wanted to show people, once you learn how to trade, you can virtually trade anything, and the futures don't require you to have the 25,000. Now stocks, you can get around that by having a cash account. I'll explain that later, but anyway, I moved over to the futures, trading those just to show people, hey, you don't have to have a lot of money and you can get involved. Of course, you don't want to get involved, trade live until you've proven it to yourself, you know what you're doing. Because as quick as you can make money, you can be on the opposite side, losing money. And there's a lot of people who are losing their money today because they're involved in trading and they haven't taken the time to properly get trained, and they haven't proved it to themselves. Okay? So I say, listen, even though I'm telling you something about trading, how to trade, you really won't believe it until you do it with your own hand. When you finally do it with your own hand, now you validated it, you know it's right, correct, and then you're ready to go. All right. So let's take the top one. We'll start with the bottom one, the third one down, United Rental. I just took that today. And let me go back. Let me show you how that happened. When I pop open my trade, my program here, I see these things. These are different ones I look at. With this United Rental, the third one down, I noticed that it was down and it popped up. You see where it did? I'm going to put my crosshairs. This is where it started this morning right here, and it zipped up like that really fast up to there. Well, that was my clue, my template. I don't have it marked on here. My process is, here's a high probability trade. So I took a short 300 shares right there, my red dot printed on there afterwards, and then just like beautifully, it just fell right off. So each of these bars are 5 minutes. So we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, 35 minutes. Look up at the top near the left. I'm short. That means I'm playing it going down, and I'm receiving 966 if I close that trade right now. Now I'm not going to close that right now, but I'm just showing you how quick the money can be made. So that's just an awesome move. There's kind of in my mind my $1,000 a day. And I wanted to address that. Some people see my video and I don't know if they lock in and think, this guy makes $1,000 every day. I do not make $1,000 every day. That would just be crazy to think that. So if you didn't listen to my little ad video where I says, hey, how would you like to make $1,000 a day? It kind of could sound like, this guy says he makes $1,000 every day. I do not make that, all right? That's my personal goal, and many days I do that. Many days I make more. There's days I actually lose money and don't make $1,000, okay? So it's the net cumulative what you're trying to get after. So anyway, here's this trade here. Receiving 957 on that one in about 40 minutes. All right, we'll go back to the other one. Let's take the gold. Okay, this one, look at near the top left long. I'm taking 2 contracts, playing this one going up. I'll show you where I got in here. I got in late last night over at that blue dot. My template said buy. I did. It started going up. And it was early in the morning. I couldn't watch it. I had to get some sleep. But it rolled against me, and I was about $800 down. That's I can handle that, but I typically don't like to go that far against me. Part of trading is learning the right metrics of how much can the money move against you without you flipping out. So anyway, I still had my overall template high probability this thing's going up. So it worked out good, and here you see what's happening. It is working up, and I'm receiving around 9, I think that says 980, okay? And on this, with the futures, what's really cool about that is it doesn't take a whole lot of money. Maybe it costs me a few $1,000s to take these contracts, okay? So there's 940 on that one. The other one, go back to this one, let's see what it says. The United Rental. Oh, just taking a minute here. Okay, this one, oh, I got 1,050. I'm receiving 1,050. And it's not that I know anything super duper, I'm really smart. It's just I've learned how to get myself in a position to let the market give to me. I've said that scripture before. What do you have that you do not receive or have not received from above? I consider this a great blessing, knowing how, where it's real high probability to engage these trades. Whether playing them up or playing them going down makes absolutely no difference to me. And but once you get that really good, you're comfortable and peaceful, you can see how, wow, there you go, look. All right, I'm sitting at my my kitchen table. My wife just made me some breakfast. She took off to an appointment, and I'm just amazed at how good God's grace is. All right, so we did the United Rental. Let's do the, we did the gold, right? Now let's go to the other one, the YM. How about this one? Okay, now this one I did take Friday. All right, I took the trade Friday. Let me zoom out a little bit. Which I took it around, we'll just say 28.50. I'm gonna put my crosshairs around here. Okay, it was right around here. No, actually, I think I took it right around here. Now, I was in the money, but I held it over the weekend. Again, holding overnight's a tricky thing. You have to really be comfortable, know what you're doing. So it also moved against me last night. That was a little painful, but it was within my parameters. Still, again, my template gives me that high probability, knowing which way to lean into this trade so that you get in that position. So here you go. This one just took off really nice, like a rocket ship down. It's on sale. That's why I joked about Cyber Monday. These things are on sale. And you see this one I'm receiving, look up near the top left, I'm short. For each contract, it takes me about $1,500. So I had to put up $6,000 to control these 4 contracts. And if I close the trade right now, I would receive my $6,000 back and pick up this $36.25 as it's showing right now. Isn't that just wonderful? It's just amazing. So there's 3,600. This one is about 900. We'll say that's 4,600. And then this down one here is 1,000, 5,600, 10:35 a.m. Sitting at the kitchen table. Got to go get in the shower and get ready for the day. So it's an awesome blessing to learn how to trade. I talk to, each week I get a couple people that find my website, and some of them purchase my course, which is awesome. And I have many students who have been very, very thankful. And then I have some that, the suspicion and they just don't know. It's just too much for them. And I get some people who are actually ugly. They just are mad, I guess, that somebody else is enjoying success. So anyway, all kinds of people out there. If you're one of those that would like to change your finances, I say watch the video, my website, tradingtemplate.com. I think it explains things fairly well. And of course, I'm always open to getting on a phone call if you'd like to do that. Okay? So again, thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.